Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the signals. This is very important, and we use the signals. Basically, it's like the signals DB from Django. If you go here to the documentation, you can read more about it. Django includes a signal dispatcher which helps allow the code application get notified when actions occur elsewhere in the framework, etc., etc. So why do we need this? Basically, when we create a post, we want to string or send that post to all the users that are subscribed to the person, right? That's why we use signals. So the signal, when we get the signal that this post was created, we're going to create a string object, and then so we can show the user the post, etc. That's why we get the subscribe. This is the person that subscribed to this user, and we got a foreign key of the post that we want to string. And then we got visible, so we can hide the string or whatever, etc. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to import the signal from the DB. So from Django.db models signals import post safe. So after we're going to work with after the post being saved, this is going to send the signal after the post is saved. So let's go here to the string, which is the one that's going to receive the signal. So here, let's create a new function called like add post, and this take the sender and then the instance, and then create it, and then just call words. Okay, so the post will be instance, the user will be post.user. Okay, so if created, okay, let's get all the subscribers. So subscribers will be we need to import subscription, so let's go here from here. Subscription. So subscription dot objects dot of filter subscribe to the user. Okay, so here we're getting all the subscription of all the users that are subscribed to this user. Okay, now for each subscriber in subscribers, what we want to do, we want to check the tier that we are receiving from the post, because there are certain posts that are for certain users. Okay, so here we type if subscriber, let's say subscriber that tier that number, we're getting the subscriber here, tier, and then the number of the tier. that is subscribed is greater or equal to the post tier number. Okay, then we want to add the person to the string. Okay, so post will be post user will be subscriber dot subscriber, and then the date will be post that posted, and then subscribe will be the user, and then visible will be true because this person his subscription is greater or equal to the level of tier of the post. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So okay, so we got that, and then we basically save string save. So if the person is not in the level of the tier, so we create anyway because it's fine. No, just kidding. So string will be string, post will be post, user will be subscriber dot subscriber, date will be post, and then subscribe will be user, and then visible we leave it like blank because as we have here for default will be false, so we don't have to add it here. So basically like this post will be created for the user but will not be visible, so you will see why we do this. Now let's just save that. Good. So now this is very important in order to avoid because it can happen that sometimes the signal like this receives like a double like signal, like it fires twice, sometimes happen. So it creates like two string objects. So what we do, we import, this is very important, from Django that dispatch, because the dispatch like send it like twice, so let's get a receiver. So now here we use this receiver is a decorator, so we go here, receiver, and then for the receiver we get post save, and then the sender of this signal is post, the model post, that's what we added here. And then we kind of like want to add like a unique identification, so so when if it receives it like twice, it's like, oh, I got this one, well, I don't have to create it. So what's unique here in the post, the ID, of course. So this patch UID will be let's just add the unique ID, unique add post, I don't know, this is basically like the unique ID. So I don't, why is this going here? It's whatever. Okay. Yeah, very important this. With this you will avoid getting double signals and like creating, like repeating the the objects or this to double fire. With this one we just fire once, of course, if it gets the unique ID. Yeah, this should work. So this should work. So in the next video we're going to test all of these. We're going to create the forms for the post and the tier, so we can like create the tier levels in the post. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.